Shit, get out of my face. Stop. Guys, Majazi boxers I have hung up to dry because I shouldn't list to go downstairs to get to dry quick. So I just hung us up there because my room, outside everybody's room, is getting the most amount of breeze. Like my room is like literally the best room. It just gets so much breeze compared to everybody else's room. So, ooh, no wonder everything wasn't lying on them. It's fixing on my bars on them. Okay, that's so much better. So yeah, I was to show you guys everything I get from my aunt. So my mother, I don't know, that just reaches me anything, but it's fine. So my mother, sister, which is my aunt obviously, she is living in America. I can't remember what America she's living in, but she's living in America, and she has a son who's actually 1 year older than Majazi. I don't really hope you hear anything I say in a couple. Yeah, she's son is 1 year older than Majazi. So, ooh. I just play that's a system and I just so obviously he like everything he wear, like all his clothes and shoes and everything is like one up from what Majazi is, which is actually really good. So she said every time he like grow out of his stuff. Okay, so Majazi's here. But I was telling you guys what my aunt bring down. So yeah, I can't remember what I left up on basically. Basically, my mother's sister live in America. She's son is 1 year older than Majazi. So everything that get too small for her son, she sell it off for Majazi. And some of them was like brand new stuff that haven't even been worn before. Yes. So I was gonna show you guys like quickly. Which bring okay, some real cool stuff. Actually bring some stuff for me and my mother as well. So the first thing is 2 shoes. So look what she brought down for Jazzy. This is like way too big for Jazzy. This is size 10C, and right on Jazzy is 7C. So that's actually really big. He had one of these before, the grey, black and white version. Yes, I do. Yeah, but that's too big for you, baby. Not yet. Right, so he have a white before he could wear this, but this is so cute. So he had one the gray, black and white version, and it got too small for him, so I want to buy back a different colorway for his size. But yeah, so he got this so cute, and then he showed you the other ones. He got these, I believe these Prestos. Look how cute, and I think they're the same size. No, actually there's 11 seats, so it's actually even bigger. So he got some Prestos, that's so cute. So he has shoes for whenever that fits him. Majazi is he actually really not very small, but he foot small. But then again, my foot and my whole family foot very small. So honestly, better be big for him than small for him. You know what I mean? I also bought this for his birthday. So this is the actual size. The size is a size 7C. Oh, these are actually these are the cutest thing ever. It's so cute. Right, so there's the shoes. And then I can show you like it's big. Oh my god, I can't even like I'm gonna show you. It's like all this towering of clothes. So I just gonna go through them real quick. So you just see. Okay. So he got these pants. Okay. This hoodie, so cute. These pants. So I'm trying to go through it real quick. Okay. This is so cute. I can't even do anything. These, which I said is very small, so these can take a while to fit. Like these things is not gonna fit you for a while. These pants, so cute. These Levi's I've never even actually been worn before, so we can match with the Levi's. It's like, mommy, I'm some Levi's. Yeah, it's so cute. These like soft pants. These. Okay. These is Levi's, I guess too. Yeah. It's so cute. I don't know what brand is wait. Oh, there's actually Polo. So it's cute. Just trying to move the box. These. He got some trunks, some Polo trunks. So cute. We need to go on vacation. These. Get it. These. So cute. Some of them are adjustable, some not adjustable. Most things is from like Gap or Polo. He needs more adjustable things because he weighs real small. I try to get him to like eat more food together, but you know. But he real picky. You know what children is. Like if you have children, if you know, you know. Some basketball pants. So these. This is the whole cast. Again, like a whole. This one. This one. A green one. These. And I have like the matching top there. This one. The matching top. These. Trying to help me. This one. These is so cross. So cool. Okay, now you already have this. Leave it as it. These pants. Leave this one. This one. I like this. And lastly, these. So as you can see, it's a whole bunch of clothes. And she sent some stuff for me and my mom as well, and my sister. It's just like all over the house right now, as in like some in mommy room she liked, some sister room she liked, and then some in my room. So this is one of the dresses she got for me, and it fits so nice. Oh, it's so nice. So at some point I'll wait and so it looks, but yeah, that's everything she got for him. She also sent on a bag for my mom, a beats pill, headphones for my brother, and yes, as I say, some extra clothes to me and my sister. So yeah, that was so nice of her. My dad was so blessed. Like, and there's only 4 sent stuff from my son. There's actually 2 time, and she was like, she still have more. Like, my dad is so blessed. Like, I just had a thank God for all the blessings. Yes, time will be hard. We'll have obviously to have times where things will be hard, things will not be going your way, but most of the times it's just like that. Just build a far breakthrough. Like anytime you see anything bad, I'm gonna tell like once a bad luck is most likely God trying to teach you some lessons for something a bigger blessing coming. So hold the faith, keep the faith, pray, and just be grateful for everything I have. Like even when something going bad, just be grateful for the things that are going good. You know what I mean? Like I've been through like a lot of crap just like everybody else, and I don't know, say much more, but I get sidetracked. But yeah, just be grateful, thank God for everything, and even the little things. To wake up this morning, you have food to eat, clothes to wear, water in the pipe, electricity, a phone. Okay, so I just got done hanging out some clothes. I did a little video of it. I'm not gonna try to speed it up and put some music behind it, well. bougie YouTuber type thing. So I decided to hang up there. So I just downstairs right now. Chilling with Jazzy. He getting some much needed outside time, so just doing that. I might just sit down somewhere and just chill out. Taking some fresh air. No, that angle wasn't not good. Taking some fresh air and chill for a minute. So yeah. Also, it's just so peaceful. Oh my god, my ass on fire. Also, just so peaceful. You can see like such a vibe. Except for that dead tree, literally over there. Just chilling. Shaker, covered in dirt. She do not kick it. You need to. Good job. Hey guys, so I don't know if you can hear me. But I just took my daughter to clinic. My daughter, of course, making so much friends just now. And then the one of the nurses come up and said a parent like sponsored. Open it. Hold on, baby. A parent sponsored like some crayons and a drawing book and stuff for the children. Nice 3 years and over. So I'm gonna show you what they get. It's so cute. That's so nice. So this is the bag that coming. Stick Eddie crayons. I'll join over there. Which one? All this. And then a copybook and pencil. And then a hand sanitizer. That is so cute. That was so nice. I look Jazzy here fake on it. Look, it's so cute.
I know exactly what I'm talking about.
Different kind of soaps. Ooh, it's so cool. I have bands. Hi. It's all different kind of stuff. Yeah, mine too actually. Kind of think, not wobbly.
Not wobbly, that's
well, I think I'm low-key drunk as well.
like my knees feeling high. Like, how are you feeling?
I don't even know how I feel, so nothing is high.
I don't know, but if high knees what I feel it, like, I know there's jalebi.
I don't know what I like party. So then there's some lemon
like
cake.
Italian treats. Like this is. I don't know.
I'm just anyone tonight.
Tell me what's the next one.
What do you have?
Ketchup, garlic sauce, pepper.
Ketchup?
Yeah, you want to follow that?
Everything?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, Ole, so I now buy like loaded fries with minced meat and cheese. We got so it tastes plus we buy doubles. Like, oh my god. Wait. Let me get it. Oh my god. I'll just sit on me. Huh? Yo, the sabal.
She keeps the hands like that.
Yes, I can't. So what you say again? What is it?
Hands, or sometimes all the hands, but she continues to keep the hands like that.
For real. So we buy a load of fries. That we can copyright it. See now they can't copyright it. But she's so calm music. But what's all about buying a load of fries?
Well, I hear it now. I don't have to meet it now because the guy has 6 seconds.
Oh, yeah? Yeah, that's what we're eating. That's how I figured on it. My eye watering and burning. I also buy bubbles from Jazzy. $5. Can't go wrong. You got some bubbles. Although I think you literally fried up bubbles so we could see. We could see if people like it. Like we started running from it. So, yeah, let me do doubles first. And the longer that way, the worse it gonna taste. So we got the doubles. Okay, so it's an house.
Happy birthday, man. All God's blessings to the old man.
Thank you.
Alright, you take care, enjoy, okay? Alright, blessings. Hey, good evening out there on the mother.
I like the cheese sauce.
What?
I like it.
What do you think? No.
It's nice.
Is this thing on?
No.
My
10 you got it.
out of 10, I rate it 7.5. Like it's good. There's too much cheese to me, but it isn't good though. It isn't good. And once I like it, then I go because he's a top chef. So now I'll go down and blow this bubble. So I pay money for it. I'm gonna literally afraid it. So
brother.
I gotta get on fire as well. You hear them say, oh my gosh, can you literally afraid it? But that not?
You failed.
Okay guys, so this is the end of this vlog. I hope you enjoyed. I'm not thinking of we anymore. I didn't think about that. I didn't think about that. Shit, get out of my face. But I still gotta show you all what I buy. If anyone was literally doing one thing, but I'll still show you it. Okay, so this is what I got from the mall, and I wouldn't even recommend it because literally the stuff was not tight enough, so it literally phoned up my ears. You see, literally. Yeah, and I went 51 to one guy rituals, and literally while I did rituals, like buying it, my card just literally wasn't working, and I know I'm on my card, right? But my card literally wasn't working. I was saying, well, it wasn't my card, it was the machine saying error, whatever. And then if you had the money, they say decline. But anyways, so that's up now. What I like thinking that you man literally watching me like if I had no money, my earring literally fall out my ears. That was so embarrassing. There's so much happening at once. My card not working. I'm trying to get things ready, make me milkshake, and my earring fall out, like bouncing across the whole floor. That was so embarrassing. So yeah, I wouldn't recommend these, and I paid $75 for it. So what should I buy it on Shein? Period. But I basically, I hope you guys enjoyed. I love the scenery. I think in Trinidad, and my father, and a little bit of my son and Bubbles. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. My cameraman is the worst, but I hope you guys enjoyed the scenery, and I'm not in that video of the mall, but I'll show you guys what I buy. And even though it's only one thing, and I hope you guys enjoy the bubbles and the food and everything, and yeah. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Four.